Preliminary exam practice questions and answers across key current affairs themes, framed according to the latest UPSC CSE trend. Selected practice questions with explanations. 1. Indian Polity and Governance, Constitutional Amendments and Digital Rights, Q1. Consider the following statements regarding the Digital Personal Data Protection (DPDP) Act and right to privacy in India. The DPDP Act entirely exempts government data fiduciaries from data processing norms under all circumstances. The right to privacy was declared a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution in the K.S. Puttaswamy. The Data Protection Board of India functions as an independent adjudicatory body under the DPDP framework. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only, B. 2 and 3 only, C. 1 and 3 only, D. 1, 2, and 3. Answer: B. 2 and 3 only. Explanation: Statement 1 is incorrect. The government receives specific exemptions under grounds like state security and public order, but not complete blanket immunity under all circumstances. Statement 2 is correct. The landmark 9-judge bench in K.S. Puttaswamy, 2017, held privacy to be intrinsic to Article 21. Statement 3 is correct. The Data Protection Board, DPB, is set up as a digital-first adjudicatory mechanism to resolve grievances and levy penalties. 2. Environment and Ecology, International Conventions and Climate Mechanisms, Q2. With reference to the Global Biofuel Alliance, GBA, consider the following statements. It was launched under India's G20 presidency to accelerate the deployment of sustainable biofuels. The alliance aims to standardize biofuel certification and facilitate global trade. Only G20 member countries are eligible to join the alliance. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 1 and 2 only, C. 2 and 3 only, D. 1, 2, and 3. Answer: B. 1 and 2 only. Explanation: Statement 1 and 2 are correct. GBA was initiated by India during its G20 presidency alongside Brazil and the US to build standards and expand global biofuel markets. Statement 3 is incorrect. Non-G20 countries and international organizations are also eligible to join the alliance. 3. Economy and Banking, Digital Currency and Financial Infrastructure, Q3. Consider the following statements regarding Central Bank Digital Currency, CBDC, e-rupee, issued by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Retail CBDC, CBDCR, is a direct liability of the Reserve Bank of India, not commercial banks. Unlike commercial bank deposits, CBDC holdings automatically earn floating interest rates fixed by the RBI. CBDC allows peer-to-peer, P2P, and peer-to-merchant, P2M, transactions without needing a traditional bank account intermediary. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only, B. 1 and 3 only, C. 2 and 3 only, D. 1, 2, and 3. Answer: B. 1 and 3 only. Explanation: Statement 1 is correct. CBDC represents digital sovereign currency and is a direct liability of the RBI. Statement 2 is incorrect. To prevent bank disintermediation, depositors pulling money out of banks, RBI's e-rupee explicitly does not pay interest. Statement 3 is correct. It functions like physical cash in digital form, enabling direct offline, online P2P and P2M payments. 4. Science and Technology, Space and Advanced Physics, Q4. Which of the following statements best describes the primary objective of ISRO's Aditya L1 mission? A. Soft landing a rover on the solar polar ice regions. B. Studying solar dynamics, coronal mass ejections, CMEs, and the Sun's upper atmosphere from Lagrange point 1. C. Capturing high-resolution images of deep space exoplanets outside the solar system. D. Measuring cosmic microwave background radiation from the far side of the moon. Answer: B. Explanation: Aditya L1 is placed in a halo orbit around the Sun-Earth Lagrange point 1, L1, about 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, to observe the Sun continuously without eclipses or occultations. 5. International Relations and Geography, Geopolitics and Maritime Logistics, Q5. Consider the following pairs of strategic waterways and their connecting bodies. Waterway. Connecting bodies of water. 6. Bab el-Mandeb Strait. Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. 7. Strait of Hormuz. Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. 8. Kerch Strait. Black Sea and Sea of Azov. How many of the above pairs are correctly matched? A. Only one pair. B. Only two pairs. C. All three pairs. D. None. Answer: C. All three pairs. Explanation: All three pairs are accurately matched and remain central to global trade and geopolitical security news. How would you like to build on your UPSC 2027 prelims prep? Get